Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Geometry Dash 2.2 on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open up any browser on your PC or laptop. Go to Google and type Geometry Dash Steam in the search bar, then press enter. In the first result, you'll see the official link from Steam. Click on it, and it will take you directly to the Geometry Dash page on Steam. Once you're on the Steam page, look toward the top right corner and click on the Install Steam button. On the next page, click Install Steam again. This will start downloading the Steam setup file. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Just keep clicking Next until the installation begins, and within a few minutes, Steam will be installed on your PC. Now go ahead and launch the Steam app. If you don't already have a Steam account, you'll need to create one. It's completely free and only takes a minute. Once you're signed in, Steam will open to its main dashboard, and in the search bar, type Geometry Dash. The game will appear in the results. Click on it to open its store page. On the Geometry Dash page, scroll down slightly and click the green Add to Cart button. Then, click View My Cart and proceed to check out by selecting your payment method. Once your purchase is complete, go to the Library section in Steam. You'll find Geometry Dash listed there. Click Install, wait for the download to finish, and once done, hit play to launch the game. And that's it. That's how you can download and install Geometry Dash 2.2 on your PC or laptop using Steam. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more useful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.